Wow, look at that! It's a pile of blue and red muddy toys! Wow, let's check it out, guys! Wow, so muddy, guys! Let's collect them, guys, and then we'll clean them up. Wow, it's blue and red toys, guys! Wow, rescue bots, superhero trucks, waddy-dow, amazing, guys! Almost done. Okay, let's start cleaning, guys. The first one, guys. Wow, blue muddy toys. Waddy-dow, crane truck, guys. Wow, it's big. Next, wow, the red one. Weedy, it's Bumblebee, guys.
Bumblebee is a legend amongst the rescue bots.
Wow, rescue bots. Next, wow, looks like a car. Oh, it's a police car, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. Next, wow, it's a truck. Weedy will excavator truck, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, rescue bots, guys. Waddy-dow, it's Heatwave submarine mode. Wow, amazing transformation. Next, wow, it has wings. A cool wings, guys. Wow, it's Batman, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, another truck. Weedy, it's wheel loader, guys. Wow, it's bigger than the dump truck. Next, waddy-dow, it's Chase rescue bots, guys.
Chase is so by the books, he could be mistaken for a library.
Wow, cool. Next, wow, another rescue bot. Waddy-dow, the leader, Optimus Prime, guys.
Autobot leader Optimus Prime has a message.
Wow, he's so cool. Next, wow, a big truck, guys. Oh ho ho, it's a fire truck, guys. Wow, amazing, guys. Next, wow, another rescue bots. Waddy-dow, it's Blade's rescue bots, guys.
Neurotic Copterbot Blades would be way more comfortable if he wasn't a helicopter.
Wow, cool robot, guys. Next, wow, another rescue bots. Weehee, it's Heatwave, guys.
Appointed by Optimus Prime himself, Heatwave, the hot-headed leader of the rescue bots.
Wow, a firefighter, guys. The last one, guys. Wow, it's a double-decker bus. Wow, it's huge. Alrighty guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you on the next video. Bye.